Oh, I hope you guys are ready for another fun day. So we did get initial jobless claims this morning. We did get a jobs report. They were coming in way higher than expected. That's why we saw this little pop. When there's more people filing for unemployment benefits, what does that tell us? For those of you guys that have been learning things along with us on these streams over the last year, when there's more people filing for unemployment benefits, it means that more people are not working, which could lead to the Fed and overall market participants seeing that the labor market could be softening up a little bit, and that means the Fed doesn't have to hike rates as much or anymore, especially with the point that we're at right now. So that's kind of what we're seeing right now. What else do we have for data today? Did anything else? 10 a.m. wholesale inventory, so we could get a little bit of a movement off of that, but nothing too echo. I knew it. Hold on. Sorry. How about that? Is that better? Hold on. Is that good? Why is OBS fucking with me? Is that better? Hold on. Is that better? Is that better? Hold on. I don't know why it does that. Bro, it's been fucking with me. Last night on the stream it fucked with me. Is that good? You made 3K? There you go. Better than butter? Hold on. Does this sound like the normal mic, or does this sound like the shitty mic, like the computer mic? Better now? You like either way? RoboVix? Hold on. Stop. Hold on. Morning team? Hold on. I gotta figure out which fucking mic it's picking up from. Mic. No, it's not better. Okay, hold on. How about that? How about that? Computer mic? Thank you. How about that? It's not good. It's good. How about this? Is that the change that we needed? I think that was the one. That's good? Fuck yeah. Good to go? Alright. Fucking, dude. Alright. Alright, guys. Keep smashing that like button on the way, and let's go over some of the things that I was talking about. I don't know why. I knew that was going to be a problem, too, because I literally opened up OBS this morning. I was like, why is it showing two audios coming in? I was like, that's weird, but I haven't really noticed that before, so, like, I feel like we'll be fine. Nope. Alright, cool. Alright, guys. Keep slapping that like button on the way in for those of you guys that have not. And yeah, so we got initial claims a lot higher than expected, meaning that more people are filing for unemployment benefits, which leads the way to the Fed maybe not having to raise rates anymore. Okay, that's why we saw this initial pop. But let's see what the market wants to do today. We do have wholesale inventories at 10, and I do have a little bit of an announcement for you guys. It's not good. Well, now I think you're just fucking with me, because now I feel like it's chilling. This is way better. See, some of you guys are just trying to lie to me, because I can't hear it, obviously. Why would I want to listen to myself talk when the thoughts are already in my head? I don't want to hear it twice. All right, yeah, we do have a little bit of an announcement for you guys today, too. So we're going to wait till some more people filter in here. So keep smacking that like, spread the stream out to some more people, and let's do it. Let's do it. It's good now? Thank you. Appreciate it. I don't know why it was fucking around. I mean, I do know why it was fucking around, but I've identified the problem. Infiltrate the supply something, I don't know, from 21 Drum Street. All right, yeah, I mean, nothing too crazy. We're gonna do what we usually do in the morning, wait till the market wants to pick a direction, really around 10, play that move, and then be done. Simple moves, guys. Don't overcomplicate it. For all of you guys that are in Masterclass, what you need to do, remember, everybody that was in midweek last night, if you're not in there, you are basically paying and then not using the best, like some of the best parts of Masterclass. These homework assignments are incredibly important. So all of you guys, again, you still need to have your homework assignment 1 in front of you, and make sure you're doing homework assignment 2 today and tomorrow, so that this weekend it's a lot easier for you to complete the entire thing, so that next week when I start bringing you guys on the midweek masterclasses and we do these streams, it's going to be a lot more productive and you guys can get a lot of value out of it. So that's going to be awesome. We're doing those one-on-ones with you guys. It's going to be great. So we're going to wait until a couple more people filter in here. Before I do the announcement, we're probably going to do it around 9:15. Let's see. Good to be back on a live. Super Soka. What up, buddy? How you doing? Is it more ankles? No, it's not more ankles, actually. You guys can't just be like, oh, let's make the 24-year-old kid a foot hooker on the internet. No, that's not how that works. That's not how that works, pal. But yeah, and again, for all of you guys sitting on the outside here, everybody gets their first month completely free to trade1348.com using code GAINS. There you guys go. GAINZ is the code to make sure you're getting in completely for free for your first month. Fuck homework. STV didn't go to class, but I did the homework. That's how I graduated. Speaking of graduating, I have my high school reunion this weekend. That's going to be interesting. Do you think GME puts are profitable? You mean like if you bought them yesterday? Yes. If you bought them yesterday, they probably are. If you're trying to buy them today, I think that's stupid. But also, the one thing that I want to say before we kind of continue is anybody that comes in here today that's like, what is going on with this? The one thing that I want to retort back at them is, what the fuck did you expect? Seriously. After all this time, and I've been screaming from the rooftops at you guys, like, it's over. You're welcome for telling you it was over. Nobody else told you. Matty T, what up, buddy? IWM will probably start to cool, and the QQs probably pick back up. And like, what do you mean, up? I mean, we have Powell next week, so things are going to chop around. Midweek Master last night was great. Caught up on the replay and loved the new trading log. Great tool alongside our trading plan. Exactly, Tor. Later on down the line, I'll probably make a video for you guys, or maybe even a video series on this. Maybe I'll release it. I'll probably condense it a little bit more because some of the streams are a little bit longer. But yeah, we are taking you guys to the top in Master. So in about 10 minutes, I'll do the announcement for everybody so that you guys are all aware. It's a good one. It's an interesting one. Let's see. But yeah, I mean, you're not really seeing much action here in the morning. We're flat. What's Nvidia? Nvidia, I believe, was up a little bit here. Yeah, Nvidia up $2.65, 0.71%. AMD up 0.5%. Tessie's basically flat up. No, 0.25% there. JD's an interesting one. This thing was flashing up on the daily here. Daily traffic light to the upside. If it can get above this 48, push through 38.20, you've got some pretty big upside potential here. That would be an interesting one. I do like trading China stocks. You guys know how I like to trade BABA. JD is setting up a little bit better than BABA is. BABA, I like to trade more based off of the levels because I know it really well. But JD is an interesting one that I am keeping my eye on. Just joined Master a day or so ago. Where should you start? First class, then catch up chronologically? Yeah, I'd say go back to the beginning with the Sunday Master classes to catch up on thigh gap and all the new things that we brought you. And then you have a whole library of videos that you could watch from Gabe in the morning when he's live trading to learn. You have my midweek master classes with futures and a lot of other different topics, but make sure that you're participating in the assignments that I am giving you guys every Wednesday. So that started last week, so go look for the midweek masterclass from last week, complete that one, then move on to this week's assignment, and then I will get you guys going for next week too. We need more fire alarms. Dude, the fire alarms are annoying as hell. I hate the fire alarms. Ooh, we got a lot of slackers in here on the like button. There's about 100 of you guys that haven't hit it. What is wrong with you? 3M on the 4 hour? That could be an interesting one. What's the ticker? Isn't it just M? Or is it 3M? What's the ticker? Is it MMM? It is MMM. Interesting. 4 hour? Yeah, it's already kind of made the move here, though. And this is a drastic move. This is news, most likely. This thing ripped, came down. I probably wouldn't touch this. On the daily, it might look a little bit cleaner. The daily looks cleaner. So I would be more looking to play this on the daily. And for those of you guys that have been paying attention, the differences between playing the 4 hour and the daily, there's expiration date differences. So if I was going to trade this, I'd be getting 3 to 6 months of time to expiration at, let's say, the 107, this level. But I don't know. I mean, I don't really like that right now. It's sold off a lot. This is really sold off a lot. But you got to look at the trend here. This is just trend down, trend down, trend down, trend down, trend down. How likely is this to completely reverse the trend and come back up? Well, I don't know. But you've seen a lot of these daily traffic lights that have been very profitable right here. Boom, traffic light down. Boom, traffic light down. I'd almost wait for this thing to actually complete that daily traffic light move to the upside, and then you play the daily traffic light down because you're still below this daily 200 EMA. You test it, you test it, you test it, you test it, you test it. You cannot get above this daily 200 EMA on 3M. So when you look at this chart, it's the bias would be bearish. So you're almost waiting for it to give you an entry to the short side. Does that make sense? Oh, pending lawsuit? Yeah, never mind. No, you did not miss the announcement. 5 minutes until we're doing the announcement, team. So let's do it. We're waiting for some more people to filter in, and then I will make the announcement to you guys. Let's see. Thanks, bud. No problem. No problem, man. And yeah, make sure, again, the announcement has to do with Masterclass. Make sure that you guys are hopping in before it's too late. Lack of N95s being sold. That's a possibility. I mean, 3M was cranking with those. Did I cook GME yet? Well, I said a little something. I'm like, what the fuck did you expect? Like, what are people expecting? Why is JD over here? What did people expect? Seriously. Like, at this point, I have told you many times what is about to happen next, and I've been spot on every time with those stocks. Now, after the nonsense and the way that whole fucking clusterfuck of a community is turned into, it's like, okay, well, I'm not even going to give you my opinion anymore because it's not even relevant and you won't listen even when I tell you. Air quality sucks here in Ohio at the moment. There you go. How's my air quality? I think it's fine. I don't know. I mean, it's not like New York where it's like all dark. I mean, it's dark, but it's not like a desert. Like, it doesn't look like a desert here, which is weird because New York is more south than here. Maybe it's, I don't know, bro. Or New York City, mainly. Maybe it's upstate New York. I don't know. Air filter stocks? Yeah, but it would be short-lived. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see anything. I don't see anything crazy on the newsfeed either this morning. SPY's just fucking around. Not doing much. No, I know it's because of the Canadian wildfires, but like if New York City looks like that, why doesn't Boston? It's more north. I don't know, man. Unless I'm geographically stupid, which is very possible. Yeah, bro. I saw some wild comments being made yesterday, and I was like, you're going to lose all of your money. Like, you do realize that, right? You are going to lose it all. But that's okay. People will learn their lesson eventually if they haven't already. You guys all did. You guys all learned your lesson. You were the smart ones that came in and were like, oh, fuck, I see the writing on the wall. And then actually decided to come in and make money in the market every single day. It's great. Good for you guys. Things are slipping here. SPY coming down. In Westchester County, New York, it's not great. You can smell the fire and visibility's fine, though. Oh, interesting. I thought I could smell the fire one day. It's the way the smoke was traveling. Ah, that makes more sense. That makes more sense. St. Louis, you began air quality alerts for the last week. Really? It smelled and looked crazy yesterday in Connecticut? Oh, that's weird. I'll be in Connecticut this weekend. I got my high school reunion, bro. It's going to be interesting. It's like a weekend-long event. It's going to be wild. Carvana is up from earnings. That's a piece of garbage. All right, let's see. Oh, 1 minute until the announcement, team. We are 18 likes away from 100 as well. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Here we go. We got, what, 16 minutes to go until the ding-ding. Then we can go make some money. Shut the... You're not going anywhere. Your honking is not helping. Honking is the dumbest shit. Oh, my Lord. Let's see. Looking sharp. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Take me out to dinner first before you try and fuck me. Just kidding. Sorry. My bad. Bring my N95 to Reunion Land? Dude, they fucking... I forgot I was going back to, like... Never mind. But they had like a COVID like warning, and I was like, really, bro? It's 2023. what? Stop. Like, I was like, I'm not playing your fucking game. I was like, this is stupid. 9:15. All right, it's announcement time. So, we have been talking with a lot of different companies on how they can maybe help us get the. We've been talking to some marketing companies, some different companies, just for us on the back end with the 1348 platform. And one of the concepts that we were talking about was pricing. So, when they were talking about pricing of Masterclass with us, because we gave them access to all of the stuff just so that they could take a look and see how they could best help us. The price that they were telling us that Masterclass should be at for the amount of value that you guys are being provided. They've watched a lot of the videos. They've seen everything. They've seen what Gabe is doing, the new tools that we provide, and we kind of walk them through it just to kind of show them the nuances of it. The price that they were saying that we should price it at is like really high. Really high. So now, while we know that we want to be increasing the price because we can't have all these people coming in, that we want only the most serious people in Masterclass, the price is not going to be above like $8,000 a year. Like, it's not going to be that expensive. We're not going to do that to you guys. We're not going to price any of you out. But we have told you that the prices will be going up. Now, this initial announcement that I'm going to give you guys here is the dates at which the prices of Masterclass is going up. Ooh. So we've been talking with a lot of people. We're going to be bringing you guys some really, really unbelievable products. There might be an app in the pipeline. There's a lot of really cool things that we're going to be bringing you guys in the future. So we will have some more announcements with you guys on what the price increase is going to be. But right now, what I will tell you is you have until July 1st to hop in to Masterclass. Guy's worse than a used car salesman. Oh, I don't know any used car salesmen that can make millionaires, Johnny. Oh, point one out to me. We've already made 2. Bing! And the amount of demand that we have for Masterclass and the success that we've had with it, in terms of your guys' performance, is epic. So, you guys have until July 1st to hop in. That is the initial announcement. That is the date. That's what you got. So, for those of you guys that still need to hop in, complete all the new live interactive curriculums, watch Gabe live trade every single day, get thigh gap, all the new tools that we have, get access to the new products first, you have until July 1st. That includes existing life subscribers. Why would you need to do anything if you're an existing lifetime subscriber? But yeah, so for those of you guys that still need to hop in, you have until the end of the month or you are going to miss it. They can make themselves millionaires. Yep, they can. They can. We've seen it time and time again. Pierce, yeah. Let's see. Johnny, I show my profits every single day. You just don't pay attention. Let's see. Every day I show you guys. No, that's not the new. You guys will be grandfathered in. So anybody that's in the existing tier, you guys are all good to go. So that is what Masterclass is going to. That is when it's happening. Used to think Lifetime was steep before buying. Now in hindsight, being on this side of the fence, I literally can't believe how much of a bargain that was. Yeah, it's ridiculous. We got some crazy stuff in the pipeline. Serious, don't sit on the sidelines if you haven't joined up yet. Yeah, don't. I mean, there's also going to be some additional benefits to Master down the road that I can't say yet because the product isn't out. Like, it's just not, like, you'll see when it comes out. You're going to be like, oh, yeah, that makes sense. But it was the really, really big thing that I was hinting at to you guys yesterday. What about 3-year existing members? You guys are all good. You guys are all locked in. How much is it going to? We'll tell you that later. There will be an announcement sent to you guys soon. But it's still going to be a very significant price increase, but not what the other companies were telling us that we should price it at, because we don't want you guys to be priced out. Car giveaway? No. Let's see. But all right, team, let's get after it today. You've got until the end of the month to hop into Masterclass. If that is something that you want to do, get all those additional benefits. And for those of you guys sitting on the sideline, you get your first month free to trade1348.com too. There you go. There's the link, code GAINS, and you are all good to go. Let's see. Ankles giveaway? No. I've already given you guys free ankles before. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, this market's not. We got 9 minutes till open. There's nothing going on yet. Got lifetime in December for dirt cheap. Best investment I've ever bought. Yeah, I mean, again, those of you guys that are in Master, let the people know in the live chat what your experience has been with it so far. Let the people know. I mean, it's a steal at the price that it's currently at. And it's still, in my opinion, going to be a steal at the price it's going to. It is going to be very significantly increased, though. Feet picks in Masterclass. Love the haters in here today. There's one. Like, there's one. A lot going on with Carvana. I don't care. It's a nonsense little squeeze stock on a really, really shitty company. So I'm not touching that. MVIS? I have no idea. Woo! All right, team. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's do it. Are there repercussions if we don't stay up to date on homework, streams, etc. right away? Well, here's the repercussions. Here's what it is. So this is actually the repercussions of what you're going to... I'm not going to repercuss you for anything. You're just going to see the performance in your trading not be what you want it to be if you don't stay up to date. How come you can't get the indicators on the chart? Well, you probably haven't linked your TradingView account to platform. Masterclass has changed your life. That simple. Said it many times before. Masterclass has paid for itself many, many times over. Glad you pulled the trigger early. There you go, team. Yeah, keep letting them know. Put it this way. I sold your Mark sold his business to be full-time in 1348. There you go, buddy. So it's been right in front of you guys the entire time, especially for those of you guys that are still sitting on the outside, not getting your free month. But yeah, that's the announcement. Masterclass, let the people know. Keep letting those messages funnel in. Because, I mean, I'm the one teaching it. And so is Gabe. Like, we're going to be able to provide you guys with the best information, but, like, the students and everybody are going to be able to tell you what their specific experience is like and what has happened. I got fucking hair in my coffee. Jesus, I'm shedding. All right, folks. You finally got your affiliate? There you go, Nunya. Was that me that approved you? You mean like somebody like came in or like? Yeah, you affiliates have been crushing it. Where are the sex bots at? I don't know, man. I don't know where the sex bots went. All right, we got 6 minutes to go until the ding ding. Everybody keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's make some fucking money today. As usual, bro. Bro, if ES does the nonsense that it did to me yesterday by bringing price down to legitimately one tick away from my take profit, I'm going to be upset at it. Why do I look like that? I'm sorry not everybody can be as pretty as me. It's just how it goes, man. Sorry. Sorry. Masterclass is the best place to be if you want to learn how to become a profitable trader. Ice Tim, thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. Yeah. You guys have been crushing it in there. Those of you guys that have actually taken the things that we've taught you are really, really doing well. Design a trade, writing out your plan, having that laser focus. There you go. How do you do that? I don't know, man. I don't know. You just, I don't know. You just do it, man. It's been forever since we saw them. Ankles, they were in market. Somebody put them as their screensaver on their phone. GME puts about a print. There you go. There you go. What were they pricing in? I mean, I saw them up like 6% in the pre-market yesterday, and that's why I was like, nah, I'm not going to strangle. I would have strangled it, which would have been hilarious because the old running joke used to be the GME strangle, and I was going to do it. And then they were up like 6% in the pre-market, and I was like, they're just going to jack premiums, and I don't want to play around with any of that. Teach you to do what? I do it all day, every day. Well, not all day. Again, we got all these free resources for you guys on YouTube. If you want to get your free month to trade1348.com, you can get all of like the learning curriculum videos all in one place. There's like 25 or 30 videos. Again, if you're not willing to put the time into this, you're not going to have success. You have to be willing to put the time in. That is why we are doing what we're doing in Masterclass. It is incredibly important to follow everything that I am teaching you guys in those midweek streams, because that is the key to your success. It's up to you to implement. Oh, how to look like me. Well, I'm white, so that's step one. I don't know the next. I don't know your nationality or skin color, so I don't know. But step one, be white. Bro, I don't fucking know where I'm going with this. I don't know, man. How to look like STV. Step one, be a white dude. Like, I don't know, man. You have strangling GME. We'll see how it plays. I think it'll hit. What is it down right now? 20-some%? 22. It should hit. Like, hold on. What were they pricing in? I'll just do that. Let's just fucking stop fucking around and just figure out what they were pricing in. We got 3 minutes until the option chain goes absolutely bonkers. Oh, are they gonna screw this on me? Yeah, I think they are. Okay, let's see. All right, 233, 227. So that's $4. Yeah, you're outside the expected move. So you're like $2 outside the expected move. So those should actually print pretty good. You failed step one? Well, I think these days in 2023 you could fix it. I think. I don't know. I think you could retake the test and then I don't know, man. They probably got some doctor out there that's like, if you are not white and you want to be white, you can then be white. I don't fucking know, bro. We live in fucking la la land. You had one fucking job. Dude. You're asking me questions over here like I know the answer. I don't fucking know. How am I supposed to know how to look like me? I just do it. Like, all right. Damn, you guys are ripping the likes today. Wait, you're white? Bro, there was this one dude that used to come in here and just be like, fuck you, you're white. And I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on now. Hold on now. You can be a rock if you want. I think you can be whatever the fuck you want, man. Hopefully you guys choose to get rich with us. Let's see. That's not really useful. All right, let's see. Spy's barely doing anything. We got it on the 5-minute. You look kind of peachy to you? What does that even mean? AMC to the moon? Nope. Actually, no. Sorry. It's probably going to continue tanking. Why would it change? Algo. Algo, untime him out. I like talking to these people. All right. Let's see here, people. Ding, ding, ding. Market's open. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. All right. AMD breaking through the 3-minute 200. SPY fucking around, not really doing much here. I mean, you do still have these levels down in here, 426. $300 seconds? That's a long time. I'm going to forget about it by then. It's like they come in here and they're just like, oh, I'm going to show him. It's like, you can't really, because I was completely right. Ooh, Apple, hello. Apple on the 5-minute getting there. Let's see. That's nice. All right, let's see. To untime him out? Okay, don't willy-nilly time people out next time. All right, this is pretty good. Algo, I played a little daily traffic light. Little daily traffic light here. Let's see. Oh, these are going, bro. Oh, they filled that. Holy shit. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I like. Yeah, all right. I'll tweet out the play. Boom. All right, I tweeted it out. That was an easy one. Let's see what happens from here. 5.17% of the port already. There you go, bud. There you go. Was it one of the ones I sent you? No, those were already up over like 100%. No. Let's see. All right. Let's see if SPY can get above this 5-minute 200 here. If it can, you might break a little, but we do have wholesale inventories at 10. That could move things around a little bit. AMD's oh, fuck. Holy shit. Yeah, chips have been weirdly volatile in the morning recently. Yeah, so I tweeted out the play. If you guys want to go see it, go over to Twitter. Nice little 30%er. Easy money. Why don't you show your gains? There you go. There you go. Like, it's like I just sit here printing money from the sky. Easy. Yeah, and make sure, again, the end of June is the last time that you guys are going to be able to get Masterclass at this super low price. So again, hop in if you're ready. Do not get left behind because that price increase will still be significant. GME to the moon? Why are you saying no, bro? No, what? All right, here's the deal. They had the opportunity back in 2021, 2022 in order for the actual company itself to help facilitate large price movements to the upside. They don't have shit now because anytime price goes up, what happens? Logical people get the fuck out because they know the deal. So anytime there's a pop, which is what I've told you for like the last 5 months, it's going to be heavily sold into because people don't want to have anything to do with that garbage anymore, okay? That is undeniable. It is also undeniable that I told you guys that ape and everything like that was absolute bullshit, and then that's what it was. Do not make me do a rant and make you guys feel bad about your decisions this morning. We are trying to sit here and make money every single day, not lose it by gambling. All right, let's see. Where I found JD? Daily traffic lights, bro. Daily traffic lights. Easy money. All right, SPY wicked the 5-minute 200 there, coming back down a little. Yeah, I've already scaled out of JD at around 30%. Maybe it was 28, 29. I don't know what the order would like. It was around there, though. Tessie. Fucking around. Alright, guys. Ooh, damn. We are like 15 likes away from 150 already. Thank you, team. Keep smacking that like on the way in. Damn. Damn, bro. So don't buy AMC calls. Do whatever the fuck you want. Like, just don't be a fucking idiot. You get that okay, so you're gonna, if you get this candle close above here, you do have a lot of resistance up here, 427.20. You break that, you might be able to run a little, but we will see. Neo 4 hour. Yeah, I am interested in the China stocks here. I mean, whoa, Neo, what are you doing, bro? Oh, I kind of like that, dude. I kind of fuck with that. What's the daily look like? Dude, the daily is fucking close. I don't usually trade stocks like this, but I don't hate that chart. That's a lot of buying volume coming in, too. It's just like big green, huh? Yeah, keep an eye out for that, man. Is that a big mover? Nah, it shouldn't be, but it's definitely something to keep an eye out for, just in case. When do these? Okay. Oh, here comes Spy. Here she comes a little. Let's see. Where's Tassie? Tassie looks interesting, but the wicks are too big for me to want to touch. AMD fucking around like it usually does in the morning. This could be a good one if you give it time and start looking at it like 10:30, 11. Spy just banging its head on 427. Up 2.08% and done. Good shit, Logan. Good shit, buddy. Hey, aren't you coming into Masterclass tomorrow? Ooh, we are going to turbocharge you, buddy. There we go. June 23, 100 call? No, you can see it. You can legitimately see it on Twitter exactly what it was. It was a June 16th, 3750 call. You do have a 5-minute traffic light flashing here, but the price action's just choppy this morning. If you like charting it, you could break the trend line either. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at too. It's like, but if China stocks start to come back, like, ooh, it could be interesting. Baba, JD, Baidu, Neo, Xpeng, LI, like, you could see a little bit of a rotation back into China, which would be interesting. They're fun to play and they move. You just got to be careful with them. Like Baba, I've been spot on many times, but that doesn't mean that like I'll get stopped sometimes before it goes. You'll be in by market open tomorrow? Let's do it, Logan. All right, coffee number 2. Gotta be careful with this one so I don't fucking spill it like I did yesterday. Bye. Ah! Neo earnings tomorrow? I mean, you could play the earnings, but it's such a low price stock that I probably wouldn't. I just probably wouldn't. All right, what does ES look like? I mean, nothing really. And we're moving down a little. VIX is lower than you've ever seen it. Did I make the announcement? Yes, I did. So the prices of Masterclass, again, we didn't give you the date yet. I am giving you the date right now. The end of the month. You have until the end of the month to hop into Masterclass at this super low price. So for those of you guys that aren't in there yet, that have been kind of on the fence, you guys have seen the results of everybody in Masterclass. Absolutely loving it, printing with it. You get the live trading sessions with Gabe every morning. You get my midweek masterclasses, the live interactive curriculum that I'm building out for you guys in real time. Thigh gap, all the additional learning tools, and a lot of additional benefits coming to you guys in the future as well. So again, make sure that you guys are in before the end of the month, before the drastic price increase does happen. Facebook. It's not gapping, but like it's moving. It's moving here. You probably got a 1 minute traffic light back in here, yeah. 1 minute traffic light, open candle here, 261.05. You got a $1.50 move already. I'm not touching that. That's moving too quick. Coin. The premiums are probably going to be fucked on it. Yeah, no. Guys, why do we call out stocks that are pumping? Why do we do that? This is not a trade. Guys, this is not a trade. What are we doing? Seriously. Guys, when you look at the market and you see things like this happen and you think to yourself, buy, get away from your screen. No, fuck off. Get out of the market. That is not a trade. That is a chase. What if you buy it and knifes back down to the 200 EMA? You're down 30%. That's insanity. That's a $2 move. Guys, please protect yourselves. Jesus. I understand that it's running, oh, cool, but like, unless you were in on the 1 minute traffic light to the upside, then you're late, and that's not a trade. Again, follow. If you're in Masterclass, that is not going to meet any of your plans. Zero. Just an insert candle. Okay, cool. Yeah, watch coin for a reversal. All right. Let's see here. Apple on the 4 hour. Ooh, that's interesting. Okay. It's hanging on to this daily 13 at 177.09. How's this look on the 5? The 4 hour looks good. Nah, the 5 looks like a little jumpy. 18% on QQQ. Good shit, CF. Where's TLT? Oops, that's not TLT. Okay. SPY being very slow this morning. Not really giving me anything that I would want to be trading. You got the risk in check? Good, T-Sir. Good. That's what we want. All right. Nancy with a move. Yeah. AMD starting to shoot. But that's such a big ball play there. Like, look at this. Thigh gap goes from dark to dark. That's aggressive as shit, dude. No. Oh, whoa, JD. There you go. I don't know. Let's see if it can carry up through here. That'd be interesting. It was a small position, so let's see what happens with it, but... You went short on AMD from the 4 hour chart, but it looks like you reversed. What are you doing wrong? Nothing. You're doing nothing wrong. You have to keep your risk in check. Not every single trade is going to play out. It's just retesting the 13. If you bought it down here, that doesn't make sense. The buy is actually up here where it's currently trading, retesting the 13. So that would be something that you're doing wrong. You're not waiting for the retest. You're buying at support, which is 116.93. The 4 hour 48. So you bought support and now you're back at a little bit of resistance here. So now you're like, oh fuck, what did I do wrong, when you could have just waited and bought at resistance. Patience. And I probably wouldn't short chips right now. Chips, anything on swings on chips, again, when you're swing trading, you have to be a little bit more aware of overall market conditions. Chips have been very strong this year. So it wouldn't be something that I would touch unless it was like very drastic to the upside, which you could have done here, but you'd have to try and top tick it. Ooh, there goes SPY with a knife. Portfolio up 2.23%. There you go. SPY knifing. Let's see. All right. Let's see what we got here. Nancy Shark got bought up. AMD, same deal. JD, same deal. CSIQ, Canadian Solar. I can chart it for you, but I'm going to have no idea about what they're actually doing. If it's a penny stock, I'm going to be like, nah, no, it's not. I mean, daily looks like it wants to come down. I mean, the 4 hour traffic light would have told you. Again, guys, if you're not trading with the traffic lights, what are you doing? Like, seriously, look at this. Traffic light, boom, death. Like, traffic light, boom, up. Little bit of a chop, but it's not really going to stop you out very much. Traffic light, boom, down. Little chop in here, traffic light, whoop. Traffic light, boom, down. Like, more times than not, you're going to be having success with the traffic lights. JD. Ooh, JD Shark. Like my scale out there. Yeah, this is an interesting SPY move to the downside. You do have a level on ES at 426275 from... Where is that? It's got... It's midnight. That's like midnight price. Man, keep coming down. Like, yeah, keep coming down. Break some lows. Break some lows and then give us a reversal after 10. That would be great. Let's see here. Woo! 6 likes away from 150. There you go. SPY can break 423 by tomorrow. That would make your puts very happy. Nice. There you go. There you go. All right, pulling up a little. This is interesting. This is interesting here. Okay, let's see what it wants to do. It almost looks like yesterday textbook, but like in the opposite direction. Where's Tessie? Tessie's still ripping. AMD, that could be an interesting one. Retest of the 3-minute 200. Right down here. Let me know if AMD hits that. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So the end of the month is the last day for you guys to upgrade to Masterclass at this super low price. So you guys now have the date. There will be another announcement either today or this week saying what the price is most likely going to be going to. But again, we were talking with the different companies that we've been talking to about different things that we're going to be building out for you guys, marketing, things like that. And they told us the price because we gave them access to everything. And they gave us a price for what Master should be priced at in terms of like industry standards. And we said, well, that's we don't want to price out our customers. We don't want to be charging just crazy prices, even though we know people would still buy it. So it's going to be lower than that. It's still going to be a very significant increase though. So again, if you want Masterclass, make sure you're getting it before it is too late. End of the month. That's when the time frame is. JD right now. I mean, I'm in it. I've already scaled out, basically made the thing free. So I don't really care at this point. It can do whatever it wants to do. Sold a bunch of contracts at 30%. There's not much else I can do there. See where it wants to go. Is current Masterclass price $13.48? Yep, but it is going up after. So make sure you're in there before it goes up. All right, let's see what we got here. You got 8 minutes until 10, and that's when wholesale inventories come out. Yeah, and then for all you guys sitting on the sidelines here too, your first month is free. There you go. Use code GAINS, GAINZ. Let's see, NVIDIA. Whoa, look at that move on Nancy there. Holy shit. Yeah, AMD never came down and tested it, but dude, NVIDIA is an absolute fucking unit. Jesus. Thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome. Nah, wholesale inventory shouldn't be a big market mover. Not comparatively to the other big market movers that we see. Let's see, ES. What do you want to give us? If you don't give me anything good, I mean, I'll just burn it. I'll just burn it. I don't really like much in terms of, I mean, you could have caught this little rim here on NVIDIA, but it's just crazy. IWM's getting smoked right now. Whoa, holy shit. IWM is getting fucked. Oh my god, look at that. IWM is getting hammered right now, down 1%. Oh my god, look at that. Yeah, that's big. That is big, dude. Shouldn't SPY, the SPY shouldn't be too far behind. Not necessarily. Small caps have been ripping recently, so, or like small mid caps, so if they're cooling off, I mean, like Apple's doing fine, or it was doing fine. Yeah, it's still green, so I mean that's kind of here it goes. There goes the SPY breaking lower here. Yeah, that broke the previous low. That's a new low on ES, new low on SPY. Let's see. 5 minutes until 10. Let's see what this thing wants to do. Oops. Yeah, you chopped around for a little bit and then just tick, 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 death. For over 3,000. It's not that expensive though. Like, you got to think about the tech that's in it. Like, I'm at like how much the iPhones cost, how much their computers cost, the computing power in it. Like, yeah, it's expensive, but it's not like ridiculous. Would I buy one? No. But I'm not like a tech guy. Like, I don't care, you know? But people will buy it. Okay. Interesting movement here in the morning. Yeah, this is the way that it's setting up is kind of, in my mind, it makes me want to be more patient and potentially wait until the afternoon to hit something. Just because of the size of some of these candles and the way that it wants to get pushed lower. Like, you could just see this thing rim down the entire day. Apple's still green, Tessie's still green, AMD up 1.8, Nancy's up almost 2. So these things are moving here. There you go. Hold on. What's this? Oh, that's still fucking terrible. All right, let's see. Could it cascade? It definitely could. Yeah, here it comes right back up. All right. AMD wicked off the 13 on the 3-minute and then shot up. Yeah, it did. It did almost come down to that 200 there. So that would have been the move that I was looking for on it. I just wasn't looking at it. It happened really fast. Like, open, drop, rip right back up on the 3-minute. So $8 move already on Nvidia. Yeah, dude, the thing's a monster. The thing is an absolute beast. From open to, or yeah, from open, it's like from down here, it's even bigger. Or no. Yeah, even bigger. No, what are they calculating? Oh, from close. They're calculating from close. That's why. I'm an idiot. I mean, I guess that would count. Okay. IWM's thigh gapping. Ooh, on what time frame? Oh, the 3-minute. Yeah. To see these types of thigh gaps, I don't really like. Here's why. The aggressive move off the bottom. Look at the range here. Where's it trading? 185.55. Where's the risk? 184.97. Like, you'd have to get a lot of time on this in order to be able to withstand that type of risk. MBOT could be the next AMD. I don't know, actually. I don't know. I'd have to take a look at it. Never heard of it. All right. 1 minute until 10. I'm not the biggest fan of how this is setting up. I'm just not. So we'll see. 3 seconds until 10. Let's see. Let's see here. Let's see what we got. A little tap, just rimming the 5-minute 13 here. Let's see what this thing wants to do. Let's see. Let's see if we can break above this 5-minute 13. 426.50. Yeah, 426.53 is kind of that level there. All right, let's see. Where do we want to go? There's 426.52. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Air good enough to play golf today? I don't know, man. I mean, it's not that bad here. All right, this is interesting. It needs to get... Yeah. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see here. Here she goes a little. Let's see if we can get through that 48. No, doesn't want it. Does not want it yet. All right, let's see what it wants to do. You got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. It's not good around there in DC. Oh, that sucks. Minute left on this candle. Let's see what they want to do. Minute 15. That 5-minute 48 is going to get interesting here. No, they can't do it. They're struggling. Let's see what they get here. 65. Here we go. Ready? Ready? Oh, come on. Don't you fucking do that again. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, are you serious right now? You're gonna do that to me? You're gonna do that to me? Come on. Uppy. Uppy. Uppy! Come on, Uppy! 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 Come on! 426.80! Come on, Uppy! 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 Come on! Come on, Uppy! Come on! Oh! Duh! Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Thank you. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Winner, winner, Chicken dinner. 5 points locked in. Thank you very much. Easy money. Easy money. So here's what I did. I did not like the risk on that trade. Just didn't like it. There was too much risk on the table for me to then want to put a stop below those lows. So I sized down on that position, took my 5 points, and that is it. Easy money there, man. So let's see. Would this have yielded 10? Actually, yeah, it's screaming up towards 10 points right now. So yeah, that is day high. Yeah, there we go. Damn, I kind of wish I fully sized that one, but again, I wasn't really willing to take that risk. So that's fine. Really, really good trade there. Grab 29% on the SPY. There you go. Yeah, so that was my ES trade for the morning there. Let me make sure I canceled all. Yeah, that's good. Do you guys see how? Okay, so here's the one thing that I want to go over with you guys real quick. Do you guys see how relaxed I am when I'm trading like that? Like, yeah, when I go crazy and I like say dumb shit, it's more so for entertainment. That's how I want you guys to be in your trade. I predefined the risk. I knew exactly what it was. If it came down, I was a 4-point risk, 5-point take profit. Easy. So when I look at that trade, I just say, okay, look at this on the 1 minute. Traffic light. Look at this on the 3 minute. Thigh gap. RSI breaking moving average. MACD losing its momentum. The risk is very good. In terms of the actual trade setup moving to the upside, or the reward, I would say, is very good. The risk was all the way down here. So my stop was actually right around here when my entry was like in here-ish. Like right around in here with this retest of the 13. So after I'm in the trade, my job is done. That's it. My job's done. I don't have to do anything else because I've identified the trade setup and it's going to do what it's going to do. I don't even know if this... So remember what I said earlier today too, that this looks like the exact same thing as yesterday, just in reverse? Go watch price action from yesterday or the shorts that I put out. That trade was almost identical. Yeah, it literally runs up to 10 points and then ticks it and then comes right back down. Okay, I mean, that's just easy money there, man. Could I have made more? Yeah, I could have, but I wasn't willing to take that risk. Only showing my face? I know, because I have to talk to you guys about things. Oh, that's why. Yeah. So my risk was right here. Right around here, sorry. Right around this level. Ideally, I would want to put it below this low, but it's too far. Usually, yeah, it's usually, sometimes I do 1-to-1 with 5, but even 5 wasn't going to get me all the way down, so I just left it at 4 right at these lows. Like, the first one is usually around 1-to-1. If, like, let's say that it was happening, like, you got the traffic light in here, well, then my risk would be, like, 3 points or 2 points. Like, it would be less than, less than the full 1-to-1, which is fine. So... Easy money there. So, I don't know if I'll trade the afternoon with that because that's not really, I can't like, unless I went in and sized down in the afternoon, but that's probably it for me on the futures account today. Make my money and get the fuck out. Easily could have been a much better trade, like like in terms of the gains on it, it could have been a lot better. But that's, I'm not here to squeeze every cent out of every trade. I'm here to catch most of the move, make my money, and get the fuck out. Easy. So, again, I'll have some more futures content coming to you guys in Masterclass. So, again, you guys have until the end of the month to jump in at that super low price that we have it at right now. But, yeah, time's running out. Prices are going up. You have until July 1st. Let's see. So like with that small account, I'm usually trading either 2 or 3 ES contracts. This one I just did 1. I was like, I don't really. Just to keep the risk tight. Because in my mind, I was actually going to put the stop a little bit lower to have a little bit more risk on it. I just was like, nah. Didn't want it. Where's JD? Oh, nice. Sweet. Those are up 22% still. Trading futures is so much like blackjack with card counting. Sort of. It's more data driven in terms of like your performance. Like, and what I mean by that is that you have a better understanding of what your win rate and your risk to reward is because you're using points on the chart. And your risk is uniform, like net of fees. So that trade, I mean, that was an easy one. My entry was, that trade never went red. So that's a good one. I bought at 426,950. Because, like, I'm still dealing with, like, the identity fraud bullshit with the bank. So, like, they can't, I just figured out that I could see my account yesterday. So they gave me all my money back. So, but, guys, that's how simple it is. You make your money, you're done. I'm probably not taking any more real trades today unless I want to set up some swings on the options account. But I've also really, really ripped up the futures account. Like, I've done some good work on that thing. So, JD looks good. Spy teeter in here. Let's see what it wants to do from here. Did I sign the NDA with what? What NDA? Oh, that NDA. No, I didn't sign that shit. No, I did not sign that. Bro, like, I used to do legal work. Like, I know what they're doing. Like, I've done a lot of things. I've watched people smoke crack. I've solved financial crimes. Like, I've had a life, man. Yeah, the bank. Yeah, I didn't sign that one. They were like, we'll give you your money if you, like, don't talk about it on social media and then also, like, say that we're not liable. And I'm like, for all I know, it was fucking somebody at your bank that fucked me over. I'm not signing your stupid form. No, but I have the money now. It was only like I didn't even know that there was that much money in that account. I had no idea. They called me and I was like, oh, yeah, I didn't do that. You actually could hunt for shorts here if you really wanted to. I'm not, but you could. This is on the 1 minute. On the 3 minute, it'll probably be a little bit more obvious. Nah, I mean, 5 minute might be better, right up to 200. Yeah. You'd have to wait for it to, like, drop down here, 1 minute traffic light, things like that, but that's a big move off the lows. I caught most of it. I basically caught it from, like, here to here. Right in here. I was like, dude, I'm not signing your fucking form. Like, that's not happening. It's early, too. We got 45 minutes left. Here we go. JD sharking around. Like, I don't expect this thing to go up in a straight line. I think it's going to chop around, do a bunch of nonsense. So here, SPY comes back up. So let's see if this would have given me 10 points. I mean, what I could start doing with the futures account, which I might just test it out on, like, a demo account, is, like, if I just made those trades in the morning, like, 1 to 2, and just see what the performance would be like. Or I could just go back test it with traffic lights and just see how it goes. The kidnapping story? I still have to make that kidnapping story video for you guys on TikTok. Yep, that would be 10, I believe, right there. Nope, close. It would need to... Oh, no, I think... Yeah, that would be 10. That would have been 10. Cool. Whatever. Still made my money. Still made my money. The kidnapping story is funny, though. When I got kidnapped. Yeah, I've been kidnapped. I watched a bunch of people smoke crack. I've done a lot of cool shit. I was accidentally an international drug smuggler. Got a lot of cool stories, man. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in, and remember, end of the month is your last chance to hop in and get Masterclass at this super low price. And again, for all you guys sitting on the sidelines that still need the best tools in the game to learn to trade, here you guys go. Use code GAINZ, GAINZ, and you get your first month free. Yeah, I mean, I'm a little bit disappointed that I bitched it here and didn't go for the full 10 points, because that would have been some nice money. But still, the account's small, just growing it until I'll probably, because now I'm just going to use a bunch of that money to pay for taxes, so I'll just be like, whatever, I might just treat it as like a small account challenge and just document it for fun. Would you guys want to do that? Like, use my futures account as like a little challenge account for fun? I was kidnapped? Sort of. I was, like, sort of kidnapped. My offer still stands if you need a couple of kilos shipped internationally. Hey, man, I'm not the guy. I was the accidental. It wasn't actual drugs. It was fucking leaves. It was plants. AMD and NVIDIA look potentially interesting to the downside here. It's just you got to watch for the fight. It's the same... Dude, this feels like the same fucking thing as yesterday. Like, SPY was the exact same thing, just the other way, because you had this. You had the rip up, you had the breakdown, and you could have ridden this thing all the way down. Today was the breakdown, you flashed it, and then rallied right back up. That's what I said, like, when we were coming in here. I was like, this just feels like the same exact thing as yesterday, just in the opposite direction. But the risk was like, kind of shitty, which I didn't like. So if the risk isn't good, again, I have to predefine my risk every single time before I enter the trade. That is why I have the rules that I do. If the risk isn't good enough for me, but I still like the trade, I'll just size it down and keep the risk tighter so it's still in line with the overall account. It's not a hard thing to do. Was it consensual? It was not consensual kidnapping. I didn't well, maybe. I don't know. I didn't know what the fuck was going on. I was like 5. Cursing is unprofessional. Well, fuck me. You think I need to be professional over here? Go watch CNBC and get no information ever. I'm a 24-year-old that prints money in the market every single day. I really am not going to care about what I say. I say whatever I like because I can. Don't be a nerd. It's going to be okay. Yeah, so same thing as yesterday. AMD coming down. Wow, I'm going to leave the channel now. Don't care. Let's see. Roleplay kidnapping? Well, no, it was like the police were called. Like, the police got involved in my kidnapping. So was my brother. My brother was involved. He didn't kidnap me. Shout out to him. Let's see. But yeah, I mean, that trade was good. Looking back at it, I mean, and again, the other thing, too, is that the trade itself was a little bit iffy as well. So I'm fine with taking it. It met most of the criteria that I needed. It was just like, it was borderline. So I was like, yeah, I'll take it. It just tightened the risk. You've been legit shot, carjacked, and kidnapped? Okay, that's like way more aggressive than my life. I've had guns pulled on me, though. Twice. Well, the first one was a threat of guns pulling on you. That's actually a really interesting story. Have I told you guys that one? I was at the club. I'll tell you which one it is because it's not the playground. I was at Shrine at Foxwoods in Connecticut. And it was like I was still in college, so I was pissed off about some shit. So then I said, fuck it, boys, we're going. So then me and a couple of my boys are there having a good time. And then we're just like doing our thing, having fun. Everybody's having fun. This wasn't like when I would go crazy. This was like very mild. And then all of a sudden, my boys go into the crowd, which I usually never do because that's the whole point of like not being in the crowd. So then this guy, this is funny. This guy walks up to my buddy and like tries to like basically like push him out of the way of like the girls that he's talking to. The 5-minute retest here on the SPY. That could be interesting for a move up. And then my buddy's like, what are you doing, bro? Like, chill out. And then he goes, I got 6 pieces on me right now. And he's just like talking shit. Then he comes over to where we're at, and we're like, bro, what are you doing? He's like, I'll shoot you right now. We're like, all right, bro, fuck off. Get out of here. You're not doing shit. And then the funniest part about this is that the bottle girl comes back later and goes, I'm so sorry. That was my ex. And I was like, oh, I get it now. I was like, I get it. Yeah, you're testing the 5-minute 200 here. This could be interesting for a long. I was like, oh, that makes sense. You were in a shootout? Well, obviously you won. Good shit, Angel. Fucking slinging it, I guess. All right, I don't know. Let's see. It's bouncing off this 200. If it breaks it, watch the 13 on the 5. That's kind of epic. I mean, thanks for sharing. Story time, I guess. Yeah, there's nothing really here on ES that I want to take again. Yeah, see, you're getting that little bounce off the 5-minute 200. Let's see if where this thing wants to go. Home wrecker. I swear I was not doing anything. I was just there. Don't laugh when they pull a gun. No. Yeah, and turns out he had no guns on him. He was just being a loser. And I was like, good for you, bud. Now that you've said that, and now I know that this is your ex, now I'm going to make your life miserable tonight and just... All right, you got that nice little bounce off the 5-minute 200 there. There you go. That's a good play there. Wrong place at the wrong time. For them, Angel. Because you're just out here slinging it. Wrong place, wrong time. For them, not for you. Be careful with the simps. Yeah, they get angry, bro. Shout out to what was her name? Fuck, I forget her name. It began with a D. Yeah, good. Anybody that caught that 5-minute 200 bounce there, good for you. That was a nice little retest move. Angel keeps that thing on her. What to trade today? You have a few $1,000s to play with. That's not how you approach the market. That's almost like, hey, what should we go and gamble on at the casino? No. You should know beforehand what you are looking to trade every single day because you have a specific setup in mind. That's what we're doing with Masterclass and the live interactive curriculum that you guys all should be in. You can't just be like, what should I trade? I got $1,000 to play with. No. That's gambling. That's how you lose all your money in the market. Don't do that shit, please. Whatever looks good. I mean, I caught the SPY move up. AMD and Nvidia could be interesting longs if they base here on these 5-minute 13. SPY, you did catch a nice little scalp off the 5-minute 200 there. That was a good one. Up 35.3% on the port for the day and walking away. Winning loser. You fucking animal, bro. What the fuck? Jesus. Same trade, different every day. Yeah. Or same trade, different day, I believe is what you meant. Yeah. Same trade, different day. My ES trade was the same trade that I took yesterday. It was just inverted. And it was a lot faster. Like, I was never red on it. It just went whoop, right to take profit, which is great. I like that. Here's what I was going to do with it. After it hit 5 points, I was just going to throw the stop at break even and wait for 10. But I was like, just take the fucking money. Like, might as well. We're not trying to get rich in a day. Yeah, life wisdom. I agree. This girl like wasn't. No, never mind. He had his boys with him. Dude, that story was funny. The other story about guns is bad. That was a bad one. SPY new high. There we go. Wow, great 200 EMA on the retest there on the 5-minute for a trade. What was that? I mean, it's all right. You probably were able to nail 10% at least on that if you were trading shorter times to expiration. You got 426.97, basically a 427 retest. Now you're trading at 427.41. Nice little 40-cent move here. That's pretty good, man. Brian, what up, buddy? How you doing? Fuck yeah, we got Brian back in here. What's up, man? Yeah, these are trying to move. Where's Whoa, Tesla. Holy shit. You fucking monster. JD, now up 1%. What are these contracts up? Let's see. Oh, they're only up 26% now? That's rude. Oh, maybe I missed it because it's sharked. Up 21% on Amazon. There you go. Base hits for the win. 5 to 10%. Good shit. Good shit. Bro, Gabe makes millions of dollars doing that. All right, now you're getting the slip. So you got your nice scalp to the new high. Easy money there. Next major SPY level. I mean, you want to talk about upside or downside? I mean, we could look at it in terms of 428 is huge. They were really fucking around with 428 last week and like down in here. There have been a couple days where 428 has shown itself to be a very, very key level. So let's see if we can get up there. Took your gains, now enjoying the stream. There you go. Citadel investing in AI now. They've had AI for years. In terms of investing in it, yeah, I mean, that makes sense. They've also had exposure to it for years. You can't get mad at them for playing the game the way that it's built. You just can't. You also then can't tie in trying to make money with changing the way that the game is played. It's two different things. So, like, when people come in and are like, oh, it's going to go up because of this. It's like, that's not even close to the reason why anything would go up, but go off, bro. Have fun. Just posted in the gains. Oh, winning loser. You fucking monster. Again, I mean, you guys see the results every single day with you guys just crushing it. So, again, you have the end until the end of the month to hop into Masterclass at the low price. If you miss it, you miss it. Then they built the game. Nah, I mean, they didn't really build the game. Yeah, the JDs I have are up 27.6%. Those are good. Those are good. Damn, you guys are crushing the like button today. Thank you, team. Appreciate it. Yeah, and make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram and TikTok as well. Short to VIX1. We got a lot of awesome short-form content coming out there for you guys. Like a lot. So make sure, especially TikTok, we've got a lot of videos coming out for you guys over there. I know some of you guys are boomers and are like, TikTok, schmicktalk. No, you should be on TikTok. Just for my videos. Bro, Tesla's ripping to 230. That's... Oh, it already did hit 230. Interesting. You've been watching Amazon the whole morning. You think it's good for a long? You missed it. You missed it. You way missed it, bro. It's up 3%. Nike, this is gonna... I don't want you to take this the wrong way. This is me trying to help you. I tell everybody what they need to hear in the harsh truth about trading in the market. If you look at a chart like this and you want to buy up here, I can guarantee you that you will lose all of your money in the market. Guaranteed. This stock has moved 3% today, and you're thinking it looks good for a long. Now, what you're basically doing is saying, let's take a mental picture of this move up and then literally just paste it here. You're saying it just did this. It could easily come up like this. Now, could it keep ripping today? Absolutely it can. But 8 or 9 times out of 10, when you're buying these stocks up here, what happens? Death. So the entry on this was here at 123.41. 1 minute traffic light above the 200 EMA. You wouldn't have taken this down because it's above the 200. You would have waited for the traffic light back up, and you nail it here. And these are all things provided to you on trade1348.com. That is why we've created this platform for you guys. You can't just be like, oh, I'm going to buy it up here. That doesn't make any sense. This is the move. Even these retests. This retest right here, if you like missed it, didn't see it, and then you're like, oh, traffic light retest, that's even fine right here. But buying it up here is insanity. Even if it continues to run, it does not matter. This thing could go up an additional 10% today, and I would still sit here and tell you buying a stock that is already up 3% when the initial buy signal was over $1 lower is still insane. What age is a boomer in your mind? Anybody that's older than me. I'm kidding. I don't know. Like 60, bro. Like, I just make the boomer joke. So, Nike, I hope that makes sense. Because nobody's going to tell you that. What most people will do on their streams is be like, oh, yeah, it kind of looks good. Oh, no, I'll just tell you it looks fucking stupid. It doesn't matter if it continues. It really doesn't. This thing could continue ripping all day long. The entry was here. You missed the entry. This does not follow any plan. If the plan up here is chase. Chasing kills portfolios. Can I make it back? Okay. I'm actually going to be in Connecticut for my high school graduation. Reunion, not graduation. Sorry. Is it at the Hartford Porsche? The one in Hartford? I've been there before. I was looking at Macans one time, making whatever the fuck it's called. But Nike, do you understand why? Like, it doesn't matter if it's Amazon. It doesn't matter if it's Tesla. It doesn't matter what any stock it is. It's just, it doesn't make any sense to do that. Can you still buy it here? Do whatever the fuck you like. I'm just telling you what is going to happen over time. It is. Fuck. I would do that. I would actually do that, Brian. That would be kind of epic. Yeah, all right. I'll see if I can do that. All right, let's see what we get here. I mean, there's nothing, man. I already made our money and we're done. I mean, I missed a full 10 points, but it's fine. Your 50th is this year. There you go. Macon. Oh, no. I don't want to drive that one. That one's not fun to drive. They got to give me like a little 911, like a little GT2 RS, GT3 RS action. Me whip around. Because I can drive, bro. I have weird skills. Driving's one of them. Like, I would be looking for Amazon shorts here. Not longs. See? It's getting ready. Incoming knife. Well, I don't know about that. It's just losing steam. Spy sharked down here. Yeah, there's nothing there for a short, so that's fine. Let's see. Do I look for traffic light entry on a potential reversal? You could. You definitely could. On the 1 minute? Yeah, you definitely could do that. After an aggressive move, this follows a lot of the things that I look for with traffic lights. I mean, you're already thigh gapping probably on the 3. Yeah, you've already thigh gapped here. So, I mean, technically you could wait for the this candle to close and then risk day high if you wanted to. I'm not taking the trade, but it's in like a 50-50 zone here because the SPY could easily continue and this thing could run to like 125.50, like right up in here. But it's not a trade that I would want to take. Let's Yeah, I don't think I'm going to trade the afternoon session today either on ES after that because that initial trade gave me the ability, if I had full sized it, to trade the afternoon. But since I sized it down, the overall profit for the day is lower than what I would usually like it to be to take more trades. So, no thanks. Go do an all-day thing at the track in Vegas. Drive all of them. You'll be surprised what you like and don't like. I probably don't fit in some of them. Like, that's the thing. Like, you guys see me here. I'm 6'2". So, like, I'm not tiny. Like, I've driven some pretty wild cars before, and I've also been driven in some pretty wild cars. And I've been around cars for a while, so, like, I know the deal with them. There goes Amazon. You're 6'2", 265? Bro, you got a lot of pounds on me. I'm fucking 6'2", and there's no way I'm over 200 right now. If I keep eating these 2 burritos a day, though, I will be soon. I really don't hate that Amazon trade there, dude. All right, let's see. Piece that might be a challenge. They're pretty tight. Yeah. All right, there goes the Amazon knife. SPY knifed a little. All right, let's see what we got. XLT? What's that? You still need an XL t-shirt? Dude, I wear like larges or mediums. That's an interesting shark there on the SPY, though. Amazon right back up. I don't hate it. I mean, it's an interesting move. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like button on the way in for those of you guys that have not already. Let's do it. Let's see. Tessie, wow. Where's Amazon here? Has it broken on the 3 yet? No, not even close, bro. Not even close. Tessie going. Where's JD? What are those up now? 31%. Not bad. Not bad, man. Easy. Did Powell say they're gonna pause? No. He didn't say shit. He's gonna tell us next week what they're gonna do. Let's see. Did you guys just get back from Masterclass or something? Are all the Masterclass people back in here? Is that what happened? I didn't see you guys come back in. Where'd you go? Oh, Pindo Duo? Fuck, that was the one, bro. Fuck me. Look at this. Daily traffic light retest 13 at 60. Fuck me. I missed that one. Shit. Dude, Pinduo Duo with some fucking movement there. Oh, Master's still going on? Oh, sweet. Dude, look at that. Fuck, I missed that one. Let's see if JD can do something like that. See, like, you got some nice movement here. Let's see. Yeah, and remember, guys, the end of the month is the last chance to hop into Masterclass at the low price that it's at right now before the drastic price increase. End of the month. Why does everyone think he's going to pause? Because it makes logical sense for him to do so. With all the data that's been coming out, it just makes logical sense. That's kind of shitty. Where's JD now? There we go. JD with some, I like that one. I mean, I bought that down in here yesterday. 3-minute light up. I think it was like here. Whoop. Great trade there. I'll probably, there we go on SPY with some movement. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Hello. Yeah, so these are about to go in the money. They're up about 32.89% right now. Oh, so I did get filled over 30%. That's nice, because it's a penny higher than what I got filled at. Sweet. Tesla on an absolute fucking moon mission. Oh my god. What is this, SpaceX now? Just going to the moon? Tesla's the real ass. Oh my god. It's a lose-lose battle. He pauses now. Inflation could rev higher. It keeps hiking. There could be more casualties. Yes and no. According to what we're seeing in the data right now, things are moving in the right direction. They don't want to overcook it, because then that's hard landing, and then everybody gets super fucked. What I think he's going to do, and this is the most logical thing that I could see the Fed doing, is they don't hike in June and then see what the data's like in July. 85 to 155 with Tessie. I'm out. Fuck yeah, Robert. That is awesome. That is awesome, everybody. You guys have been crushing it with Jesus. For all you guys sitting on the sidelines here, get your first month free. Code GAINZ, GAINZ. You guys can hop in with us, learn everything that you guys need in order to have success in the market. Wasn't Tesla the original squeeze play? I mean, the original meme stocks were like Tesla and AMD and NVIDIA. But they just also did well, so then they continued higher. You know? Like, people hated Tesla, dude. Hated it. And then, boom. Now, to everybody else on the sidelines that are like, oh, but like Tesla did it, my stock can do it too. Let's think for a second here. That makes no sense. And then people are going to be like, oh, I hate you. It's like, no, just telling you the truth. Dude, this Tessie reversal later could be fucking epic. If it does it. I would love JD. Where's Baba? Because, like, at least I have some exposure. Yeah, Baba, nice movement to the upside this morning, too. So maybe China stocks are back, man. I mean, I was looking at Baba down in here. I didn't like this. I wanted 79.50 right around here. It ended up going to what, 77, 77 before the move up to 86 here, which is good. I mean, the problem is that we've talked about this before. Boom, right? Like you see it in here, higher high, lower high, lower high. If it hits here and it keeps making lower highs, lower lows, spaghetti. You can still trade it, but it's not going to get this. But with all the China stocks moving like they are, I don't know. Maybe it could, especially if the meeting next week goes well. We go into the summer having some decent data. I mean, you never know. VW and Overstock were the squeezes. Those were like the squeezes, but like the longer term, like squeezing everybody out because they were just wrong about the companies were like AMD, Nvidia, Tesla. I don't think anybody was really doing it with Nvidia, but like AMD was treated like one of the original meme stocks back in the day. Right around the time that I was that I was buying it too, I think. I mean, I wasn't really looking, but like at the same time, I was like, all right, well, my average on AMD, remember, is 1139, I believe, which is epic, and I had a lot of it. Going to Texas this weekend to buy oh my God, a 2010 Roadster as an investment. That's interesting. I don't really like those, but like I can see why you would buy one as an investment. If I were to buy a car as an investment, I don't know what I would buy, man. I probably wouldn't even treat it as an investment. You'd have to buy like a special edition, something. It's going to cost you some bread though. SPY new high. JD still looking good. AMD fucking around. Nvidia looks like it wants to move higher. Tessie sharked a little. Let's see here. All right. Yeah, JD Shark. I could take a little more off there. I don't think I'm gonna, but I could. I like 28%. Nah, it's a small position now. I'll let that go. Buying cars and Turoing them. Yeah, the problem is that like nobody's doing it. Like what are you gonna use a car for in Boston? Nothing. Like if I wouldn't do sports cars. I would literally do like SUVs here, or like Priuses and all that shit. Because you don't need a car in Boston. It's just Uber. Or walk. It's not that big. I could walk across Boston in like 2 hours. Oh, watches too, yeah. But I would try to get them from the AD. But also I don't care, because like I only really want like 2 watches and then all of the what do you call it? All of the what was it? All the other different models of it, like I want a Royal Oak, but like eventually I'd love a skeleton Royal, like those type, like that type of deal, or like a Nautilus, but I would want like different colors and all that shit. Rent one for the gram? No, bro, I'm not renting a fucking car to flex on Instagram. Anything that you guys see me do is like me really doing it. So like me at the club, that's me. Like me going on boats, that's me. Me doing fun shit at the like that's all me. If I rent a Lambo for a day, I'm not doing that, bro. That's just so like my skin would crawl. And even if I did rent one just for fun, I would literally scream, "It's rented." That's why, like, when I show you guys the signs, like, it usually has, like, me, like, something funny that you guys would get on it. Like, thank you, short the VIX. Like, who the fuck is putting that on a sign? Me. That's it. Like, yeah, I mean, just looking at this price action here, I think we could easily trend up today. After these couple of tests of the 5-minute 200. It's slow, though. So there was a really, really nice trade with that 1-minute traffic light there. I drilled it for 5 points. It did end up giving almost 20, like 15 points, which is good. They assigned you a residency at another one? Oh, sweet. Dude, the Boston, you would probably come to the Boston ones and be like, what is this nonsense? But it's fun. I like it. There's a lot of rules. And it's way different than, like, I think other cities do it. Like, they close it, too. I mean, that's, like, the one thing that I, like, do for fun all the time is just, like, go to the club. It's fun. The playground. MA, MasterCard, you're down huge. Oh, boy. Well, first of all, you should never be down huge on anything. In Mr. The Tad, what was your thesis for getting in on MasterCard? Well, I don't understand. You're like, oh, I'm down huge. Can it come back? If I look at this on the daily, this has literally been in a daily traffic light down since May 24th. So are you another one of those people that's trying to chase stocks when it's up? I mean, this was the entry right here if you wanted to play it up March 30th at 358. Oh, it's similar? Oh, interesting. And had horrendous risk management? Well, you're probably fucked. I'll be honest with you right now. You're probably fucked. Take the lesson, learn it, and say, okay, I need to approach the market with... Guys, this is exactly why we've created trade1348.com for you guys. This right here is exactly why. Like, oh, I'm fucked. Can it come back? No, it's probably not coming back. I mean, here's the deal, though. I mean, you do have this giant fuck you volume candle coming in here, which could, on the daily, say that this thing wants to come back to the upside, but it kind of already did from 368 to 380. $12 move there. And you probably saw it on the 4-hour as well. Just bink, yeah, traffic light up, bink, right up there. So no, I would say that you're probably fucked on it. So learn the lesson, hop in with us. You get a month free and you get access to everything. So that's why we've created it for you guys. Everything you've ever wanted out of the market's been right in front of you the entire time so that you can not get in these situations that you're currently in. You'll just hope for a miracle. You literally make me want to go outside and stand in front of the street and hope I get hit by a bus. That is what that statement makes me want to do. I legitimately want to go outside, stand in the street, and just say, fucking hit me. That is not how you operate in the market, man. Come on, dude. Oh, I'll just hope for the best. Come on, bro. What is this? You think that's the way to have consistent success in the market? What are you, insane? Oh, I'm just going to buy stuff, and then when it goes against me and when I over-risk with terrible risk management, I'm just going to hope it comes back. If you continue operating in the market that way, you're going to donate your money to people like me who have risk management, size their positions accordingly, and make sure that they're not going to fuck themselves in the market. God, bro. The contracts are at a penny. Bro, they're worthless. They're worthless. Worthless. SPY new highs. This is the problem with retail investors. And that's, again, guys, that's why we've created trade1348.com for you. So it's right in front of you. I'll throw the link in the live chat. You get your month free. And you can come in and make sure after you go through the curriculum, you will never put yourself in a position like that again because you will know better. God damn, bro. It's fucking sad that this still happens in the market. And it's because all these people out there are like, oh, YOLO, it's okay. You can operate like this in the market. It'll be fine. No, it won't. And I'm sorry, that's the hard truth. But the truth does not care about how you feel or your hope. That statement literally makes me want to go outside and get hit by a bus. Facebook was a great 3-minute traffic light. Yeah, you DJ'd a boat party. They have boat parties here too. I just haven't done them yet. I want to go. Oh, the Grand Prix? Ooh, that sounds fun. Yeah, guys, again, keep smacking that like button on the way in here. We got some slackers of you guys that have not done it yet. Make sure you guys do that. Let's see. Have not made a trade today. I count down about 0.5% for the day, but 9.13 in the green for the week. There you go. The felons are already here. The felons. Yeah, this could have been a really, really solid trade here for me, but it's all right, man. It's all right. I'll take my 5 and just run. You're sorry for a lot of reasons. You don't have to apologize to me, bro. Like, apologize to yourself for acting like a fucking idiot. Sorry, like, this is the problem. Nobody has somebody in the market who is going to tell them things like this, that are going to sit here and say, this is your fault, you're being an asshole. You're being a dickhead. And if you continue down this path, you're going to lose all of your money and be a statistic. I'm here to help you not do that. Does that make sense? So you might be like, oh, fuck, this, like, no. If this makes you angry or anybody else angry in here, good, you're listening, you're hearing it. You couldn't not buy a 15-16% dip from the highs yesterday? You easily could not have. There was no thesis behind that trade. You tried to buy the dip on a falling knife. And now you are dealing with the consequences. 428, this is interesting right here on the SPY. That's been a very, very key level. You break this, you could be in for some fun, man. All right, these JDs are up 32%. That's pretty good. So, in Mr. Meathead, or Mr. the Tad, or sorry, it looks like Meathead. Maybe I have dyslexia. All right, here's how you have to view the platform and everything that we do. You're going to continue making these types of mistakes when all you had to do was come in for free and learn how to actually make money in the market. Same goes for all the rest of you guys. Oh, this is Chris. I actually might be dyslexic. I might have problems here. That was not... Mr. The Tad didn't even say that. Palantir. You bought Palantir? 1470? Fuck, I wanted that. Where's it now? Fuck. Fuck, I told you guys I wanted that. Where is this? 1450. Fuck, that's where I wanted it. Shit. Oh, man, I didn't even have an alert. You saw Meathead, too? Yeah, but then I read Chris's message and thought it was Mr. Meathead's. That's what I'm going to call you from now on. Can we get one weekly afternoon stream for call-ins again? No, we're doing a lot of one-on-ones, though, with Masterclass, though. So every Wednesday night now, we're going to be doing some one-on-ones with you guys. And they're going to be hyper-focused. But, Mr. The Tad, you have everything in front of you. It's up to you to make that change. Nothing's going to change about your current situation, guys, unless you take action. Simple as that. Yeah, you're teetering at 428 here. That's interesting. Let's see. All right, guys, it is 11 in the morning. That is going to be wrapping it up for me today. Again, all of you guys in there, there's the link. Make sure you guys hop in for free for your first month using code GAINS, GAINZ. And, guys, Masterclass prices are going up at the end of the month. You have 2.5 weeks left to hop in. or 3 weeks. I don't know. You have a couple of weeks left to hop in at this very low price that we're offering it to you at before the prices drastically increase. So make sure you guys are in there getting all that additional value and content and tools so that you guys can have a lot more success in the market. So team, I will see you guys later. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.